Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your HP Envy 6155E all-in-one printer step by step. So let's begin the setup process. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, remove all protective materials from the printer, including plastic films, blue tape, cardboard inserts, and packaging supports. Also, remove the power cord and setup cartridges from the box. Make sure no packing material remains inside the printer before turning it on. Step 2. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. The printer should turn on automatically. If it does not turn on, press the power button. Now, select your preferred language on the printer screen. Then, confirm your country or region. Do not connect the USB cable at this stage unless instructed later during setup. Step 3. Open the input tray. Slide out the paper width guides. Insert plain white paper into the tray. Adjust the guides so they touch the edges of the paper. Close the tray. Now, pull out the output tray extension. Your printer is ready for printing. Step 4. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the carriage stops moving. Remove both setup cartridges from their packaging. Remove the protective plastic tape from each cartridge. Insert the cartridges into their correct slots. Push gently until each cartridge clicks into place. Close the cartridge access door. Step 5. After installing cartridges, the printer will prompt alignment. Tap Align on the printer screen. An alignment page will print automatically. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the marked corner. Close the scanner lid. Tap Scan on the printer screen. Wait until alignment completes successfully. Step 6. Now, let's connect your printer to a wireless network. First, make sure your printer is turned on and placed near your Wi-Fi router. On the printer control panel, press the wireless button or open wireless settings if available. Select your Wi-Fi network name from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Press Confirm. Once connected, the wireless blue light will stay solid. This means your printer is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Step 7. Now, open a browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app. Tap Add Printer. Select your HP Envy 6155E printer from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the wireless setup. Once finished, your printer is ready to print from your phone, laptop, or desktop wirelessly. Step 8. To confirm everything is working properly, open the HP Smart app. Select your printer, choose Print Documents or Print Photos. Print a test page. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And that's it! Your HP Envy 6155E all-in-one printer is now fully set up and connected to Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more printer setup tutorials and troubleshooting guides. If you face any issues such as Wi-Fi connection problems, printer offline errors, cartridge errors, or printing issues, you can contact our printer support team for quick assistance. Our experts are available to help you step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.